Hey guys, welcome back to another Corny's Kitchen video. Today we'll be doing caramel. And for the ingredients we have heavy cream, about 4 teaspoons of butter, we have about half cup of water, a cup of granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Of course with our pan. You do not want to use a thin pan, you want to use something that won't burn your sugar quickly. Let us begin. You also want to keep your heat at medium heat, of course. So we're gonna add our sugar, add the water, and we're also going to add a little lemon to stop the crystallization. Now do not stir. No matter what, do not stir. Leave it and allow it to get to that dark golden look. When the time comes, make sure you have either a whisk or you have yourself a spatula or a wooden spoon. And also make sure you have all your ingredients ready, because there's going to be a fast movement after the sugar have caramelized. So we're just waiting on it to get to the color that we want it to reach. And while you're here watching, just make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever there is a new video. If you are already subscribed to our channel here, please like the videos, share it with a friend. Alright, and thank you for your continuous support. You can see, no matter how it's bubbling, don't be tempted to stir. Just allow it to start getting that caramelization going on. Always gets start to get brown around the edges first, and that's when you would, kind of give it a shake and put it down. And be very patient. Lovely dishes always come with patience. There's some stuff that you do that has to take time. You have to take time. So just wait on it patiently. And while this is going on, make sure you have your jar ready. Make sure you have your jar ready to pour it in when it's done. The whole thing will take maybe about 8 minutes, 8 to 9 minutes. The whole entire thing. There we go. We start to see the brown around the edges now. You can see the brown coming on nicely. And if you had if you have the fire on high, then all that would have burned a long time ago, and you get all the burn on the edges. You don't want that, so you just have to patiently wait. Now we're just gonna give it a little shake, just a slight little shake. Careful not to burn yourself. And then we're gonna put it down. Now how you know when this is ready, you're gonna have like a sweet smell and also a little bitter smell. That's how you know when it's ready. When you get that and the color looks right, you're gonna turn it off and then you're gonna add your cream. That's about it. So you're gonna turn the flame off, and right away we're gonna add our cream. Keep your face away. Keep your face away. And just stir vigorously, really fast. In that process, we're going to add our butter. Now for the sake of the butter, I'm going to turn the heat on again. And I'm going to just for maybe about 3 minutes or so, or 2 minutes, just to get that butter well incorporated. And I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Really nice color. Now this you can have on your pastries. You can use it as filling. Also you can have it on your ice cream. That should be good enough. There we go. Now we're just gonna let this cool a bit, and then we're gonna pour it in a jar. So now we're gonna go ahead and pour it in the jar. Still a little hot, but it's good. And here's our caramel. Really nice color. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Lovely. Lovely. Really good. So, this is another one from Courtney's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking the videos. Until the next one, take care.
change from me.